Welcome to From Drab to Fab. Easy upgrades that transform any space. In this video, we'll explore simple yet impactful ways to breathe new life into your home, no matter how stale it may feel. From fresh paint that works wonders to trendy peel and stick wallpaper, we've got tips that will turn any room into a stylish sanctuary. Get ready to discover how swapping out hardware, incorporating greenery, and mastering the art of decluttering can make a world of difference in your living spaces. Let's dive in and transform your home together. 1. Fresh paint works wonders. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for any room. It's like giving your walls a new lease on life, instantly making the space feel renewed and vibrant. Whether you opt for a trendy shade or stick to a timeless hue, paint has the power to change the entire atmosphere of a room. Imagine a dull, beige living room suddenly bursting with energy when painted a cheerful sky blue. The walls become a canvas, setting the tone and mood for everything else in the room. Plus, painting is relatively affordable and something you can often tackle as a DIY project over a weekend. 2. Swap out hardware. Upgrading your space can be as simple as swapping out the hardware on cabinets and drawers. Replacing old, tired knobs and pulls with sleek, stylish finishes like brass or matte black can add an instant touch of elegance. It's like giving your furniture a new pair of shoes or a statement necklace. It makes everything look more put together. These small details often go unnoticed, but they can make a world of difference in the overall appearance of a room, adding a sense of modernity and sophistication. 3. Statement lighting elevates the look. Lighting is more than just functional, it's a key element in setting the mood and style of a space. Replacing old, outdated light fixtures with modern designs like pendants, chandeliers, or sconces can elevate the ambiance of any room. Imagine walking into a dining room where a striking chandelier casts a warm, inviting glow over the table. The right lighting fixture can serve as a focal point, drawing the eye and creating a sense of drama and elegance that transforms the entire space. 4. Mirrors make spaces feel larger. Mirrors are like magic in interior design, with the power to make spaces feel larger and more open. By reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth, mirrors can transform a cramped room into one that feels airy and spacious. Consider adding a large mirror with a unique frame to a living room or hallway. Not only does it serve as an eye-catching decorative piece, but it also brightens the area by amplifying natural light, making it feel more welcoming and expansive. 5. Textiles add cozy layers. The addition of textiles can significantly enhance the comfort and style of a room. Imagine a couch adorned with plush throw pillows in rich colors and textures, or a soft rug underfoot that adds warmth to a hardwood floor. These elements introduce layers of coziness and personality, making the space feel inviting and lived in. Curtains or drapes in bold patterns can also draw the eye and add a sense of drama, turning windows into statement pieces themselves. 6. Peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer. For those hesitant about long-term commitments, peel and stick wallpaper offers a perfect solution. This bold, removable option allows you to experiment with striking patterns and colors without the fear of permanence. Whether you use it on walls, ceilings, or even furniture, this wallpaper can add drama and flair to any space. It's like having the freedom to change your mind without the hassle, making it an ideal choice for renters or those who love to switch up their decor frequently. 7. Open shelving adds style and function. Open shelving is both stylish and functional, providing a platform to display your favorite decor, books, or plants. Floating shelves can break up a bare wall, adding visual interest and depth. They offer a chance to show off your personality and style, turning everyday items into part of the room's design. Imagine a kitchen wall adorned with neatly arranged shelves, showcasing colorful dishes and cookbooks, adding a touch of charm and organization to the space. 8. Greenery brings life to any room. Plants are a wonderful way to breathe life into a room, literally and figuratively. Whether you choose real or faux greenery, adding plants can freshen up a space and introduce a touch of nature. A potted fern on a side table or a hanging ivy in the corner can make a room feel more alive and vibrant. Plants not only improve air quality but also add a splash of color and texture, making them a versatile and essential part of any interior design. 9. Accent walls create a focal point. An accent wall can serve as a powerful focal point, drawing attention and adding character to an otherwise plain room. This can be achieved through paint, wood paneling, or a curated gallery wall. Consider a bold, dark color on one wall of a bedroom, making the headboard pop and creating a cozy, intimate vibe. Alternatively, a gallery wall of framed art and photos can tell a story and personalize a living area, giving guests a glimpse into your life and interests. 10. Declutter and rearrange for a fresh look. Sometimes, a fresh look is as simple as decluttering and rearranging furniture. By removing unnecessary items and rethinking the layout, you can create a more open and inviting space. Swapping furniture placement can change the flow and functionality of a room, making it feel brand new. Add a few curated decor pieces to complete the transformation, and you'll find your space feels more organized and visually appealing, without the need for drastic changes.